Let us see how you can create a new customer for your store. So click on this view icon and click on a new customer. So here you have the option to enter name, the number, and then you have 5 transaction fields. So these are only numeric fields, and you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide values for the transaction fields, and a proper detailed log is kept for all the updates done to the transaction fields. So it can be used for reward points, wallet mechanism, and whatever you prefer. So we have given 5 options here. And then you have 5 detail fields for your customer. So here you might want to store maybe the customer address, age, gender, whatever you feel like, and the 5 identifier fields. So, for example, you can identify a customer from their WhatsApp number. You might also want to identify the customer from for their email or maybe their Facebook ID, Instagram ID. So you have 5 options for this. These identifier fields as well as the WhatsApp number can be used in bots and automations to find a customer or basically to search a customer. And then you have 2 image fields. Here you can have the image URL of the customers, maybe the photograph or something if you need to. And then so for now I'm just entering name and number, and maybe transaction field 1 for me is rewards and transaction field 2 for me is wallet. So I've entered 0 for start. And with this identifier field, I'm just entering 1 as email for me. So I can also search the particular customer via email and then click on create. So this is how you can create a customer. Thank you.